क्रिएटर्स इतने फॉलोअर्स एंड एंगेजमेंट क्यों लूज कर रहे हैं जबकि वो कंसिस्टेंटली पोस्ट कर रहे हैं? ऑनेस्टली प्रॉब्लम कंटेंट में नहीं होती, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दे आर नॉट यूजिंग ऑटोमेशन टूल फॉर ऑटोडीएम which can easily increase their engagement, and we know more engagement equal to more followers. So today I'm going to show you a tool called SuperProfile, which helps creator to grow their audience organically and even monetize their content without running any paid ads. And honestly, the feature which shocked me the most was ask for a follow feature, because this actually help creator to boost their followers. अब आपने इंस्टाग्राम पर बहुत बार सुना होगा
comment music and I will send them to you.
And honestly, I used to wonder कि लोग इतने सारे comments का reply manually कैसे करते हैं? But then I realized most creators are using AutoDM feature from SuperProfile. So basically, whenever someone comments a specific word on your reel, SuperProfile automatically replies to the comment, send the DM instantly, or share your links, PDF, or guides. Which means no more manual typing. Crazy, right? So first go and sign up. Meanwhile, I'll tell you the best tool of SuperProfile. And by using this, you can actually grow your followers. And wait, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get a special discount on your sign up. So don't miss it. The feature is ask for a follow. So basically, whenever someone comments a specific word on your reel, SuperProfile automatically replies to the comment. So before giving your guide or PDF or link anything to your non-followers, it asks politely them to follow your account first. And the best part is you can even customize the message however you want, so it doesn't sound like robotic at all. And while the tool handles your audience automatically, you can more focus on your content instead of replying all day your DMs. Not only ask for a follow feature, SuperProfile has lots of feature which is as amazing as this. For example, they have features super links, lead magnets, payment pages, bookings, events, sell your courses, blog content, Discord, and many more. And when it's come to pricing, it's really cheaper than a coffee. For first month, it is only 99 rupees, which is like 3 rupees per day. And for the next month, it is 499, which is also just 15 rupees per day. And here's a surprise, as I promised, you can get flat 80% off. Yeah, you heard right, 80% off on plans starting from just 499. To unlock this crazy discount, simply use my referral link in the description or comments. And don't miss out, this offer can save you a lot of money. And this actually feels like a steal deal for creators. So go and sign up now. So let SuperProfile handle your audience while you can focus more on creating better content. And if you want link, just comment to me SuperProfile link and I will DM you. So instead of working hard manually every single day, start working smarter.